Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Kali Linux on your PC. If you're finding this channel for the first time, we upload videos on Linux tutorials, ethical hacking, and useful Android tips. So if you're interested in that, click on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to the video. So you're going to search for Oracle VirtualBox on your browser. I'm also going to be leaving a link to VirtualBox in the description below. Okay, which is virtualbox.org. You're going to click on that and you're going to see a button there that says download. You're going to click on download, and when you click on download, depending on the operating system that you're using, and if it is Windows, you're going to download the Windows host. If it is Mac OS, you're going to download the Mac OS host. Okay, so in my case, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to be downloading the Windows host, of course. So you're going to download the VirtualBox extension and you're going to download the extension pack. You're going to accept the terms and conditions and download the extension pack. Now, after downloading both VirtualBox and the extension pack, you're going to visit kali.org, which is the official website for Kali Linux. And you're going to click on download also on the website, and you're going to click on virtual machines, okay? Because we're going to be installing Kali Linux on the virtual machine, which is the VirtualBox. You're going to click on virtual machines, okay? So I'm going to click on virtual machine now, and after clicking on virtual machine, you're going to be directed to this page where it says pre-built virtual machines. You're going to locate VirtualBox, which is the virtual machine that we downloaded, and you're going to be downloading the ISO file or the image file for VirtualBox. Okay, in my case, I already have the file downloaded. The file is about 3 gig. I already have it, so I'm not going to be downloading it again. But in your case, you're going to download it, and after downloading it, you're going to install both VirtualBox and its extension pack. Okay, after installing VirtualBox and the extension pack, you're going to load VirtualBox. After installing VirtualBox, you're going to open the application. Once the application is open, you're going to click on import, and you're going to click on the source file is going to be local file system, and you're going to click on the file. Okay, so we're going to look for the Kali Linux VirtualBox file that you downloaded earlier. So in my case, this is the VirtualBox file, as you can see there. So you're going to open that. You're going to agree to the terms and conditions, and you're going to wait for it to finish loading. So it is just going to take a few minutes for it to finish importing. Okay, now once the importation is complete, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on settings, and you want to change a few settings. Okay, so you're going to click on system, and after clicking on system, you're going to make sure that the base memory is at least 2 gig. Okay, if you have more storage to spare, you can increase it from 2 gig to 4 gig, 8 gig, whatsoever, but the minimum has to be 2 gig. And the processors, you're going to be using 2 CPUs. The minimum has to be 2 CPUs. If you have more CPU to spare, you can increase it. Okay, so in my case, we're just going to leave it at the default, which is 2 gig memory and 2 CPUs, right? Now, once this is done, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to start the VirtualBox machine. You're going to start Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Okay, so once Kali Linux has loaded, the default password and username is Kali. You're going to enter that, and you're going to click on enter, and you should have this desktop on your computer. So yeah, you can use it. This is the original Kali Linux, so you can install your softwares, you can enter your Linux commands, you can install your you can basically run anything you run on Kali Linux. You can run your hacking softwares, of course, and yeah, that's how you install Kali Linux on a laptop. If you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. See you in the next video. Goodbye.